Welcome to the I Belong Here project. Bonjour, je m'appelle Garand.
Hi, I'm Kiran.
I'm francophone.
Et je suis anglophone.
Je suis cinéaste.
And I'm a photographer. We're both visual artists based in Montreal.
And we're proud to be bilingual.
I'm originally from India and moved to Montreal after high school. A native English speaker, I quickly realized the benefits of learning and speaking French. This has opened up many opportunities in both my personal and work life. Most importantly, being bilingual, actually trilingual, has helped me connect with people. It definitely makes the world a smaller place.
So I came from a mixed background family. My mother is francophone and my father is anglophone. My parents got married when it was illegal to do so in most places in the world. So commitment to education, freedom of speech, and human rights has always been profoundly important to me. They introduced me to the magic of storytelling when they bought a home movie camera and tape recorder. That's when my journey began as an artist.
We're excited to connect with you and learn about your experiences as bilingual residents of Quebec.
And we're here to help you translate those experiences into short digital stories.
Our project acts as a mirror reflecting how we're living as bilingual residents in Quebec.
Our program nurtures connections among students, inspiring them to delve into and appreciate the rich diversity that makes Quebec truly special. Encouraging active participation in a bilingual context, the program empowers students to contribute meaningfully, ultimately enriching their own personal lives.
This is a 6 to 8 week hybrid program facilitated both in person and on Zoom, in which students will dive into the world of digital storytelling from ideation to production to presentation and celebration.
Students will learn the art of storytelling by breaking it down to its simplest form: imagery and sound.
This program aims to develop students' digital media skills through project-based learning. We'll explore basic composition techniques, recording sound narrations, and selecting archival imagery and music. Our goal is to spread awareness of what it's truly like to be bilingual, addressing misconceptions and celebrating the unique power of speaking more than one language.
And it's the moment we've all been waiting for, a celebration of your journey, your stories, and the collective brilliance of your digital storytelling adventure.
Join us in this creative journey.
Let's celebrate our differences and tell the world, I belong here.